I hold Andrew for a fool in this, for he died of that from which I will live in bliss. For under God there is no lady for sure who would draw ill from it if she does not draw. But if she loves me without occasion's flaw, I will love her for a season as I saw, but never for all time will I love her more. I have desired and still desire, I say, and wish still more to desire, come what may, than to hold my lady and kiss her in the way and in the place where I might take my joy and play. For I love her and speak what I must say, and of the 5, 3 do not understand my lay, but will say it is well expressed in your array. If I did not have my joy's own day, to the good it does worse, I say. To every lady it would be sense indeed, before she took a man, to choose with care, and to know him well before she saw him there, and let him be worthy before he was pleasing in her need. For in the taking there is sense, without firmness is creed, and knowing comes before the using's deed. Of seeing you may know, as I can see, that if a man is worthy, he well knows how to choose in what pleases him to do and say and use.